Can we delete Instagram block list without unblocking? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can delete Instagram block list without unblocking. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step here is open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, you can add someone just to block them. So I'll just add a friend. Let me just go here and block this. Now, let's say I've blocked my friend. Now, if I go to my block list, that is by going to my profile on the bottom right and tap on the three lines on the top right. Now, after you're on settings and privacy, if you scroll down, you should find the block list. Tap on it and you'll find your block list. Now, as you can see right here, if you try to do something, that you want to select and delete everything here, there is not any possibility. Now, you can just add other people, but you cannot actually just remove or delete them without unblocking them. Now, this is a feature by Instagram that you cannot actually outdo. What you will need to do is you will need to unblock them to remove them from this Instagram block list. So you can write to Instagram, you can report to them, you can ask for help in the customer service, but what they will say is that there is not a bulk feature to remove your block list. So yeah, they might add it in the future, but for now there is not a feature that allows you to delete Instagram block list without unblocking. So all you can do is tap on the unblock button to unblock your friends, and then you can just remove it from the block list. So yeah, I hope this answers your question, guys, that you cannot actually delete Instagram block list without unblocking. So yeah, that is basically all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.